welcome this channel. Today's lesson is UI button. So let's start. First of all, create a button. So let button UI button adding frame. So origin is 0, 0, width is 100 and height is 50. So button dot set title. Title is click to me and hit the me is button dot add action. Add target as a self selector as click button to call our function, and multiple events to editing change editing, and to used event is touch up inside to click and call our button. So button, sorry, view, add sub view as button and create object save function and click to me standard type of UI button. So UI button, and every click event to print out the click to me. So click adding this function and run our code. So button is not is added some error. So button set text color UI color dot black and dot normal style and run our code. So adding this button in 0, 0 coordinate. So set button dot center is a view dot center and run again our code. So click this button every time to call this function and print out the value. So open, close, and every time click to hit, so print out the our button action so created here. So thank you watching this video. Like video, share video, subscribe this channel, hit the notification bell. You will get notification my latest video. Thank you.